Hello everyone, and then welcome to another tutorial in Figma. So in this tutorial, we'll learn to do this horizontal scroll or scrolling. Okay, so that said, let's get started. So in my Figma project, let me just delete all of these. Okay, and then I'll select a frame. I want this. You can use any frame of your choice. Okay, and then I'm going to select the rectangle tool here. You can draw here. Let me just bring it somewhere here a bit, enlarge it a bit, and then I can give it a corner radius 21. That's fine. Then I can just give it a shadow. Okay, effects, just click on this. Okay, this is fine. Okay, and all I have to do is to go to Pixabay, and then I can select any of the images I want. Okay, so any image you want. Okay, then I'm going to paste it here. So paste here takes the form or the shape of the rectangle. Can control D to duplicate. Then I'm just going to move it here. Okay, so to be able to see this, I have to click here and then click on the clip contents. Okay, just uncheck it so that we can see what is going on here. Then I'll go here. I can decide to pick any image again. So I'll pick this image, copy, come here, and then double click. Okay, then I'll paste. Okay, so I'm going to do same Control C, Control D. Sorry, just Control D is fine. Well, let me just make sure it's well aligned while holding shift. Okay, that's fine. And then I'm going to pick, let's say I'll pick this, copy this image, go back to my Figma project. If I paste here, you can see what is happening. Okay, so paste here, that's fine. So we have three images. Let's do one last. So Control C, Control D. Okay, hold on shift and then make sure it's well aligned. Okay, so that's fine. Then I can change the image. So I'm going to pause. Okay, so now I have four images. Okay, so as you see here. So now what we can do is to actually select all, Control G to group. Okay, so now that is group, we can go back to our phone here. So click on this and then clip contents. Or let's see. Okay, we don't want this. So let's right click on the group object and then select frame. Okay, frame selection. And now what we can do is, let's see what we can do here. Sorry. We can clip content. So let's click on our iPhone or the frame and then click on clip content. Okay, so now we click on our frame and then we can drag this to this position here. Okay, and then let's click on our phone, go to prototype, and then let's look for this. So scroll behavior, we are going to select horizontal, and then let's click on play. Okay, so we have our image and then we can now horizontally scroll. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial, and then thank you for watching. Thank you.